Može. Priči.
Hello, this is mail number 2. No, ovako, nešto toliko da rezumira. This is number 3. This is female. She is not for you, but the tail. The same thing as I write you about number 1, the biggest one. This is not that good. And that's why I sold him to men I wrote you before. She's nice, but this could be a problem. Okay, and now my favorite, Playboy. This is the Melody and the Aero Design son, Playboy. I think he will be very, very nice, by my opinion. He is fat because there is only 2 puppies. He is very, very fat. Oh, he don't want to stand still. But I think you see he's 5 weeks, I think. No. Yes, he is 5 weeks. His sister is also very nice. She goes to Brazil. And this one. Oh. To ćemo malo posle snimati još ove dole. Će njega da pustiti da ga oni gledaju, pa malo znači se onako grupiraju. Don't want to stand.
Pa, ta noga ide na.
Still. Ah. Okej. Malo snimi ovaj, sad ću malo izmaknuti, malo snimi ovaj. Dobro.
Ne moram da se znači.
Malo ih snimi ovaj, tako da se... Glavica. Možeš doći ovom s ove strane. Dođi s ove strane kad gleda, ili tako, hajde. Malo odmakni, tako da se vidi svi tvoje.
Dobro.